learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for some practical Hakka here on FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you the question, what's going on or what happened? 发生什么事？
發生乜嘅事情？
发生嘛嘅事情 ？OK， 有时候比如看到你好像就是整个开心不起来，一定有什么事情发生。可能呢是钱掉了啦，信用卡被偷了啊，还是你的账号被盗用。这种越来越多了，尤其在这个现代的社会，对我们在网络上面用信用卡、用账号的机会太多了，
对啊，
常常会被盗用哈，
很生气，
或者说自己呢没钱了、破产了，这也会伤心。
希望不要。
Yeah, so maybe something happened financially. Like your credit card got stolen or you went broke. Let's teach you terms associated with this. Starting off with going broke. 破产。
破产。
破产。破 means broken. Okay? 散 means your financial stuff is broken. Alright, 那有可能是银行的账号啦，以前。那现在现在很多网络上面的交易，你的账号可能会被偷走了，这样子。Okay? So a lot of times your identity is stolen. So let's teach you how to say stolen. 盗用。
偷用。
盗用, okay, that means stealing your identity and using it, okay? But sometimes you just lose your credit card. 可能是信用卡掉了或被偷了，这又不一样哈。信用卡怎么说呢？
信用卡。
信用卡 okay, that's a credit card.
那海陆腔信用卡。
Just a slight difference for a different dialect. 信用卡 that's, again, a credit card. Okay, let's make a phrase. 我的信用卡被偷了. Okay, my credit card was stolen. How do you say that?
我嘅信用卡。
我嘅信用卡
本人偷走去嘅。
本人是被人 OK，
偷走去嘅。
偷走去嘅。偷走了 OK, that whole line again. 我嘅信用卡 that means my credit card
本人
was stolen by someone.
偷走去嘅。
偷走去嘅 OK， 好，希望不要被这个偷走，但是一旦被偷走，赶快报警跟你的信用卡的银行说就好了。对，没错。Let's review all these terms. Going broke, 破产。破产 a stolen identity, 盗用。
偷用
and a credit card, 信用卡。
信用卡
and it's all about what's going on, what happened.
發生乜嘅事情？
發生乜嘅事情 All right, again, we hope you don't get into these situations, but if you do, you have more words that you can use, and that does it for today's practical Hakka.
師母大家，
安子say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.